Hi, I'm Tim and welcome to this video. In this video, I thought I would tidy up my network rack a little. So my network cabinet has some patch cables in it, which are all different colours at the moment. And it's looking a bit untidy. Some of them are faded, as they do with sunlight and things on them. So in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the network cabinet before, and then we're going to do an after shot, and I'll briefly go through the network cabinet as well to show you what I've got in my network cabinet. For the network patch cables, what I decided to do was invest in some Monoprice cables. So here they are. These are Monoprice Slimline Cat6a Ethernet patch cables. They are snagless RJ45 UTP pure bare copper wire, and they're rated up to 10 gigabits per second, and the cabling is 30 AWG, so they're grey coloured, and in 10 packs, and I bought 2 packs of them. They cost here in the UK from Amazon about £15 per pack of 10, which is not too badly priced actually. As you know, the Monoprice ones are very slim and they look neat and tidy, so at least they're all going to be the same colour in the network rack, hopefully. Now I will have to do an exception to that with 1 or 2 cables, I think, as these are extended length and I couldn't get them in the Monoprice length I wanted. But what I may do later on is get a length of Monoprice cable, so another patch cable but a really long one, and then re-terminate one end of the cable to the correct length so that it all looks the same in the network rack. So anyway, I'll do that probably another time, but let's get these installed in the rack and see what they look like. So we'll get right to that now. So here we are at the network cabinet, and this is the before shots, of course. As you'll see, I've got the old and mixed colours of the patch cables. So I have the PDU, which is the power distribution unit. There's also another power distribution unit at the back of the cabinet as well, so it's out of sight. However, I just use this one for things that I probably need to disconnect or reuse sometimes for testing purposes and for lab testing and so on. So I just plug things into the front, which is easy access. And then moving up, we have the 24 port Cat6 patch panel. And just to confirm, I'm using Cat6 cable throughout my house. Moving up from the patch panel, we have the Grandstream GWN 7822P, and that's a 24 port PoE plus multi-gigabit network switch. Then moving up from the switch, we have the Grandstream GCC 6011, and that is an all-in-one convergence device which features an 8-port network switch. 4 ports are PoE powered, and it also features enterprise grade firewall with content filtering and so on, and it also features a IP PBX all-in-one device. Then moving up from this, I have Reolink RLN8410, which is a NVR, and then moving up to 2 GMK Tech Intel NUC G3s. Now, one is spare at the moment, so the one here on the right hand side is spare, but the one on the left is actually being used to run Home Assistant. And then on the top shelf here, we have a QNAP NAS TS462. And also you'll see next to this, there is a Kingston 1TB external SSD drive, which is powered via USB-C. And this is used as a backup for the NAS. So that's basically my network cabinet. So what we'll do is move back down to the switch in the cabinet here now. It's a little bit untidy. It's not too bad, I know, at the moment, but once I put these Monoprice cables here and replace them with these, it should hopefully look a little bit tidier. So let's connect these Monoprice Cat6a Slimline patch cables. The WAN. Camera 1. Camera 2. Camera 3. PBX. Port B2. Port B3. Port B4. NVR. Home Assistant server, Zigbee coordinator, socket L1, socket L2, next one socket L3, socket L4, uplink into the router from the switch. Next one, wireless access point 1, NAS 1, final one, port B1. And there we have it, Slimline patch cables from Monoprice. Looks a bit tidier, bit neater with all the colours and the cables being the same. Apart from this one, of course, I will be replacing for hopefully a Monoprice cable. So I'm just going to buy an extra Monoprice cable with a bit of length on it, trim it to the right length and hopefully re-terminate it with a new plug at one end. Looks a bit neater. It could still be improved, of course, but it's not the best cabinet in the world. I've seen better, but it does for what my needs are. So, yep, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back again soon. More videos coming soon. Bye for now.